What did I buy? You may be asking. What's in this? It came in this blank box. Let's open it. About the YEEZY Foam Runners. Right? This is what it is. It's an alien croc. Look at that. Just take a look. Alright? I'm going to wear these on my feet. I mean, what do they feel like? Smooth as a bitch. Oh, so smooth. Kanye West made these. Alright, and these go on feet. Okay? Think about that. Have you ever seen anyone walking around in these? Hey everyone, I just wanted to come and show you at a different angle how to take these foam runners out of the box. So first you do this, you open it on up a little, there you go. And now there's a shoe, you take one of them out, move it, get it over there. Alright, and then you scrape that one off the box, good. And then if you look at this, it says runner down there. So you're good, you're set to go. Alright, let's do a taste. Let's do a taste test. Acidity, foam, rubber, plankton, coral. It's good. It is good. It is good. This goes on my foot. Not a problem. I pull this off. It's easy to do, and if you can only summon the courage to be like me, you can be like me. I kind of look like Howard Ease. I don't know who that is, and let's look him up. Let's look up Howard Ease. Howard Ease, not. Fuck you, dude. Are you kidding me? You fucking kidding me, dude? Howard Ease nuts. What do you think about that? Do you like these? Throw this like a football. Those are atrocious. Why are these atrocious? Look at them on my foot. Is that atrocious to you? What do you think now, bro? I'm killing it in the game. I'm killing it in the game, bro. How, where, and when are you supposed to wear those? You wear them whenever you want, however you want, and whenever you want. Unless it's raining, because there's holes in them. Obviously you see there are holes in them. Alright? What do you wear? What are your shoes? Overpriced Crocs. I'm also sponsored by Foot Tissues, so it's not a problem for me. I can make money. Does that make sense to you? What do you wear? What do you wear, Vans? Look at the bottoms of these. That's a beautiful substance right there. If you feel this, they're smooth like lotion. Like an alien's dick. Just like cum comes out of it, of the front. Cum comes out of the front when you jack it off, when you jack the shoe off. So comfy. Fuck a Croc when you can have this. Fuck a Croc when you can have this. That's all I'm saying. That's all I'm saying. What's up, CO52? Look at this. What do you think of this? See? There we go. We got some positivity there. Looks comfortable. Also is. Yes! So I own these now. Alright? And how many people do you think you'll ever see walking around in this bullshit right here? Not many. Look at the inside of the box. Here, I have my thing backwards, but it says foam. Mouth.
Just want to give you guys a quick little look at how it looks like when I'm walking around in these beauties here. Look at this. See that?
Oh. Ow. Oh, my knee.